Our sister, when he achieved big bola, when he, because of big bola, come out for this 36 country, go also be big bola because she gets lama abatabiti, egbeti, bekus. Come, I don't date man when he gets more Ekia. You go come. Ekia bolo, ayok bolo gele ya money la ni akare. Let me tell you, if you don't love man, if you like to get my long, as my hand long reach, anything, if he touch you, he go dey irritate you. He go dey irritate you. You dey feel me? He go dey irritate you if he touch you. If me, only man when I fit carry a big bola, na man when I love, because man when you love. If even though you know, if man when me no love, I no fit kiss him. Number one, man when me no love, I no fit kiss him. You see, so man when you no kiss, how you go tell me soon, how you go tell me when you go tell who pure enter inside, it go hard. You see, so if you no love man, Ekia big is useless because you go dey see him, you go dey vex. So no they talk about, don't be mad when you even dey with you never talk and say you love and Ekia you say they follow Ekia and it's a pity. Say man when you no love, Ekia fit the entire you meaning Ekita uwe wa mame wa no because make you no bring water. Big Ekia no go enter inside. But I dey imagine say your own they occupy am, they collect am because na boy. Do they see am? Because na boy. Please, my sister, ayok bolomo mila. Okay? And it's a pity. Say, now because of that Ekia, now you take follow man. I go fit follow man when he gets more Ekia. So for me, I love him. I fit follow man when he get big Ekia, I don't love him. I don't follow. And man get big Ekia, I don't fit kiss him. He not go enter my thing. Now, if I get man when he get big Ekia, now because I fit kiss him, I love him. Before he touch me, I don't soak. Now it make me follow, not be because of Ekia. You dey feel me? So get inside and stop talking about small Ekia, big Ekia. Go see big Ekia, small Ekia. Go see your big Ekia. My sister, to be honest, to Saka where the Saka you say me you go know where your husband for come. Not be bad idea. Join me live for my new page. Not be bad idea, my sister. Do something. Anyway, you know where. Or if join me for the other page, guys. Then we can't talk about them. God bless you. Follow my new page.